Now basically your table view doesn't get refreshed when you press the back button because your table needs to call your select query again, and view did load gets called only once. So there are plenty of methods which can be triggered when your view will appear in foreground or when your view goes inside the background. So view controller have plenty of lifecycle method. So there's something called view will appear. Now view will appear is a method which gets called whenever a controller's view is about to come in a foreground. And similarly there is a method called view did disappear. This method is called when your function or when your controller's view is about to go in a background. So here what we'll do, we'll check if persons is not nil, means the person is already existing. We'll say persons equal to nil, and we'll be creating a DB reference again. Okay, and we'll be initializing again will the array with select query, and now your table is already created, so you don't have to recreate a table. There's a method called reload data. This function, when it gets triggered, it recalls all your methods again, so your count will get changed as per the current count of the person, and your table will get inflated. Now also when an insert happens successfully, I want to take the user back to the previous screen. So you can say self dot navigation controller dot pop view controller animate true. So in this case, what will happen whenever you insert any new value and when you press save button, if a value gets successfully inserted into your database, it will go to the previous screen. So I'll say 3 dot say sunny. I'll say save. So when you go save, it gets inserted and your table get refreshed because it will trigger view will appear. In view will appear, you are recreating your array by calling the select query on a database and then refreshing your table view. So this completes the entire end-to-end module of database. In the next module, we'll be understanding the core data framework, which is built on the SQLite, and then we'll move to the another way of persisting called plist. So your core data is basically a framework provided by the Apple over the SQLite. So this one which we have done right now in this current is a raw SQLite where you can create n numbers of queries, you can optimize your queries, whatever you want to do, you can do it in your provider class.